Hello, I'm Andrew Duncan and I'd like to welcome you to another Art of Living video. I'm going to show you today how to put a steamer gasket on a Demeyere steamer. Demeyere steamers come in two sizes, 20cm and 24cm, and they're made of a heat-proof rubber or silicone. It's oven-proof, dishwasher safe. But eventually they perish, and usually the rubber loses its elasticity and it just drops off, and that's when it becomes a real pain. Now, when they're new, these rings, these gaskets, are smaller than the diameter by quite a lot, as you can probably see on the camera there. And it makes getting this on a really tricky business. And a brand new one that hasn't been on the pan for any length of time is even smaller still. So when you get your package from us of one, be prepared for a little bit of a battle, because unless you've got very strong hands, I've got reasonably strong hands, I've probably made it look a bit too easy there. It's not always that easy, and then you've got to get it pushed down to the right place. The easiest way to push it down evenly is to use a saucepan or another steamer, as I've got here, and just put it in place over that and just push firmly down. And now that's the same way, it's the same height all the way around, and it'll make a proper seal. I don't think there's anything else more I need to say about that. That is the job done. I hope it's as easy for you as it was in this instance for me, but be prepared perhaps for a bit of a battle.